Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make your notes more aesthetic, easy method. Start by choosing a consistent color palette and font pairing for headings and body, then apply them across sections. Stick to 3 colors and 2 fonts to keep things unified. Use spacing, margins, and alignment to create breathable layouts. Small, steady choices make notes look polished without extra effort, and this foundation saves time when decorating pages later. Arrange your page with purpose by dividing content into clear sections and using consistent spacing. Use headers to separate topics and subheaders for details, keeping visual hierarchy simple. Leave blank margins and breathing room so your notes don't feel cramped. Try 1 to 1.5 line spacing and moderate paragraph gaps for clarity. These small layout tweaks make scanning easier and help important points stand out when studying or reviewing. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more simple note hacks. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying while you study almost magical, and it saves time for formatting notes. It's a little extra convenience that keeps your desk neat so you can focus. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Add light decorations that support meaning, not distract. Use small icons, bullets, or simple doodles to mark themes, and reserve boxes or underlines for formulas and action items. Stick to minimal embellishments so content stays readable, and avoid heavy patterns or loud backgrounds. Consistent decorative rules across pages build a recognizable aesthetic while preserving focus. This approach elevates notes without wasting time on elaborate styling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.